Today, we're diving into this incredible device, the Lenovo YogaBook 9i. It's a device that's redefining the laptop experience with its dual screen OLED, that's right, OLED setup, and some incredible Windows 11 features to boot. So let's dive right in. Right off the bat, the build quality of this device is impressive. It feels sturdy, but also remains lightweight, and the hinge mechanism is incredibly smooth. The dual screens are definitely the standout feature, and I really can't wait to see them in action. So what sets the device apart? Well, it's the screens. Both of them. The dual screen setup, the hinge, the detachable keyboard, it all creates one of the most unique PCs I've ever used. But it's not just about the screens. The Windows 11 experience built in also enhances with touch gestures, which makes navigation on the YogaBook 9i even more intuitive. Flicking through apps and resizing windows, or just scrolling, it's all a breeze. And thanks to Windows 11 and Windows, the new Snap Layout feature is a game changer on just one screen, but across two, it's incredible. Under the hood, the YogaBook 9i is powered by a 13th gen Intel Core i7 U-Series chip. That's designed for thin and light devices like this one. Each of the two screens is a 13.3-inch 16:10 2.8K OLED display. And with Windows 11's Auto HDR feature, visuals in supported games and media are enhanced, which makes the most of these vibrant OLED displays. Now, talking even more about power, with up to 1 terabyte of NVMe drive, 16 gigs of DDR5 memory, and Wi-Fi 6E, this is an incredibly fast device. And with things like a eShutter for privacy, it's a real win. The battery life is also impressive, with up to 14 hours on single screen notebook mode or 10 hours on the dual screen book mode. The YogaBook 9i is designed for versatility. You can use it like a regular 13-inch laptop, or you can fold it into waterfall mode, where an app or window fills both screens. You can even use it horizontally with two screens side by side. Now, I mentioned that keyboard earlier. Have you ever typed on a flat surface on a PC? Well, me neither until now. But the haptic feedback on this virtual keyboard is something you've got to see and feel to believe. And if you prefer that physical keyboard, Lenovo has you covered with the included one, which you can place right on top of the virtual one. You have the best of both worlds. Now, let's not forget the stylus. It fits securely in the sleeve on the back of the device, which is perfect for navigation or for note-taking. It's a handy tool that adds yet another layer of versatility to this already incredibly versatile device. And with up to 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, it's perfect for detailed work. And if you want to make the YogaBook truly yours, Lenovo has included something special. The User Center lets you tweak and customize this device like never before. Once you get into it, trust me, you'll have a lot of fun. So, what's the verdict? The YogaBook 9i isn't just a laptop. It's a whole new way to interact with your technology. So who would I recommend the YogaBook 9i to? Well, for me, I think students could really benefit from this device. It's versatile, innovative, and it comes with all the features you need for a productive study session no matter where you're at. And if you have someone in your life who's really into forward-facing tech, this would also make a fantastic gift. That's it for our unboxing and overview of the Lenovo YogaBook 9i. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for even more great content just like this.